Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Equations. Do you think equations are pure mathematics? Then you're absolutely wrong. Equations are part of our daily life. We use equations in our daily life. We not only use them, we also need equations to solve many real life problems. Before learning equations in detail, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths. Master Maths exercise 3.4 problem number 2. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. So here again you are given few conditions and using these conditions we have to form the linear equations and then solve them. So you are not directly given the equations. Okay, we are given the situations and using them we have to form the equations and then solve by elimination method. Okay, we'll solve them one by one. First let's see what is the first problem about. The first problem given is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? So the given problem is about fraction. Always we will consider the numerator of the fraction as x and denominator as y, isn't it? So let's first assume. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So what about the fraction? Therefore the fraction equal to x by y, isn't it? Numerator by denominator. Now what's the first condition? Add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. So add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. The fraction reduces to 1. So this is equal to 1. This is the first condition given. Okay, now let's simplify this to get the first equation. When you cross multiply this y minus 1, we get x plus 1 equal y minus 1. Group the variables to one side and the constants to the other side so that you get x minus y equal minus 1, that is minus 2. So we get the first equation to be x minus y equal minus 2. This is our first equation. Okay, then the next condition given is the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So the fraction is going to be 1 by 2 when we only add 1 to denominator. So we add 1 to denominator alone. We don't disturb the numerator. So given x by y plus 1 equal 1 by 2. Now let me take this 2 to the other side. So let me cross multiply the fractions so that I get 2x equal y plus 1. So rearranging them I get 2x minus y equal 1. This is my second equation. So now I have formed the equations with the given situations. Now we are going to solve these equations using elimination method. Here the elimination method is very easy because you have the coefficients of y to be equal. So let me take first equation. The first equation is x minus y equal minus 2. So here no multiplication. Both the equations have the same coefficients for variable x. So let me take them as it is. So this is second equation. And since the sign of both the coefficients are same, we decide to subtract both minus y. So if we subtract only, the sign will change and y gets cancelled, right? So when I subtract, I get x minus 2x. So it's minus x equal minus 3. That gives me x equal 3. So we have got the numerator to be 3. And let's substitute in any one equation and get the value of the denominator. Substitute x equal 3 in equation 2 so that we get 2 into 3 minus y equal 1. 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 minus y equal 1. So minus y equal 1 minus 6, that's minus 5. So we get y equal 5. So we have got x equal 3 and y equal 5. Therefore we have got the solution as the solution is the fraction The required fraction is 3 by 5. So the fraction is 3 by 5. Now let's check whether it's right or not. We have got the fraction as 3 by 5. Okay, see the first condition given. Add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. So you add 1 to numerator, it becomes 4. Subtract 1 from denominator, it becomes 4. So 4 by 4 is 1. So we have got, it reduces to 1. So the first condition is true. The next, it becomes 1 by 2, only add 1 to denominator. So we don't disturb the numerator, we add 1 to denominator alone. So when you do that, you get the fraction to be 1 by 2. So the second condition is also right. So the answer we have obtained is right. So this is how we have formulated the first situation into equations, and then we have solved them using elimination method. We have also verified whether it satisfies both the given conditions. Yes, it does, right? Okay, now we'll move on to the second problem given. The second problem given is 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So how old are Nuri and Sonu? So here again it's an age problem. So let's make the assumptions. Let the present ages, always we take the present ages x and y, isn't it? So let the present age of Nuri be x years and the present age of Sonu be y years, right? Okay, now given 5 years ago and 10 years later. So let's see what are their ages 5 years ago. Age of Nuri will be x minus 5, isn't it? Because now she is 6 years, so 5 years ago she will be x minus 5. And age of Sonu will be y minus 5, right? Okay, this is 5 years ago. And then 10 years later, what about their ages 10 years later? It will be x plus 10 and y plus 10, isn't it? So at present their ages are x and y. 5 years ago their ages are x minus 5, y minus 5. 10 years later their ages are x plus 10, y plus 10. Now let's see the conditions given and form the equations first. So 5 years ago their ages are x minus 5 and y minus 5. It's given Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri was thrice. 3 times means it's 3 into y minus 5. So this is the first condition given. Okay, now simplifying this, we get x minus 5 equal 3y minus 15. So bring the variables to one side and the constants to the other side, so that I get x minus 3y equal minus 15 plus 5. So this is x minus 3y equal minus 10 as my first equation. And the next condition given is Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu 10 years later. So Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu after 10 years. So this is the second condition given. Right? Now let's simplify this. So I get 6 plus 10 equal 2y plus 20. Let's take the variables to one side and the constants to the other side. So I get x minus 2y equal 20 minus 10. So that gives the second equation as x minus 2y equal 10. This is a second equation. So we have framed the equations for the given situation. Now we'll solve them using elimination method. And we see that the coefficient of x are same. So we need not go for any multiplication. We'll directly add or subtract them. So now, consider equation 1. Let me take it as it is x minus 3y equal minus 10. And equation 2 also let me take it as it is x minus 2y equal 10. So now let me subtract them because the coefficients of x are of same sign. So I'm going to subtract the two equations so that x gets cancelled. So we get minus y equal minus 20, right? So we get y equal 20. So we have got the age of Sonu as 20 years. Let's substitute in any one equation. and get the value of x. So substitute y equal 20 in equation 2. So we get x minus 2 into 20 equal 10. Otherwise x minus 40 equal 10. That gives x equal 10 plus 40. That is x equal 50. So according to us, x is the age of Muri and y is the age of Sonu. Therefore, we have arrived at the solution. The solution is that Muri's age equal 50 years and Sonu's age equal 20 years. Of course, at present, okay, at present their ages are 50 and 20, right? So that's all about the second problem. Now we'll move on to the third problem. Here we have got the sum of a two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So now the problem is about a two-digit number. So in a two-digit number, the place values we have are the ones and tens, isn't it? So ones place and tens place. So now let us assume that let the digit at ones place be x and the digit at the y's place be, so at the tens place, digit at tens place be y. So I have taken ones place the digit is x and the tens place the digit is y. So suppose I say ones place the digit is 2 and tens place the digit is 8, then how will we write the number? See, the place value of 8 is 10, isn't it? So we get it to be 8 into 10 plus 2, that is 80 plus 2. So that we get to be 82. This is how we write the number, isn't it? So here the digit at ones place is x and tens place is y. Therefore, the number should be of the form. The number is, now y is in the tens place, so x place value will be 10y plus the number in the ones place. So the number will be 10y plus x. Alright? Okay, now we also need the number when the digits are reversed, isn't it? So when the digits are reversed, the number is, so when the digits are reversed, automatically the ones place becomes tens place and the tens becomes ones, isn't it? So here it is 20 plus 8, that is 2 into 10 plus 8. So it automatically interchanges the places of x and y. So the number after interchanging the digits is 10x plus y. So these are the things you should remember while doing problems on two-digit numbers, right? You take the ones place be x or y, anything, that's your wish, and the tens place be the other variable, so that the number is 10y plus x and the reverse number will be 10x plus y. Alright? Okay, now we'll proceed with the given conditions. The given conditions are sum of two digits is 9. Sum of digits is 9 is the first condition. So given sum of digits. The digits are x and y. So sum of digits means it is x plus y equal 9. This is the first condition given. Therefore, I get the first equation as x plus y equal 9. Okay, the next condition given is that 9 times this number. 9 times the number is 10y plus x. So 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So twice what the number obtained by reversing the order of digits, which we know that is 10x plus y. So this is the condition given. That is 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits, right? Now let's simplify them so that I get 90y plus 9x equal 20x plus 2y. So let's take all the variables to one side. So you get 20x plus 2y minus 9x minus 90y equals 0. So it's 11x minus, when you combine y, it's 88y equals 0. So here the coefficients are large numbers. So let's reduce them to smaller numbers. We also see that they have common terms, common factors, the coefficients. Here it's 11x and here is 88y. So I can divide by 11. When I divide by 11, I get x minus 8y equals 0. This is my equation 2. So this is how we have formed the two equations. Now let's solve these two equations by elimination method. It's going to be very easy because we have the coefficients of x to be same. So we'll take the equations as it is. So equation 1 is x plus y equal 9 and equation 2 is x minus 8y equals 0. So again let's subtract them so that x gets cancelled. So 0, you need not change the sign. So here it's 9y equal 9. So you get y equal 1. Right? So the number in the tens place. So substitute y equal 1 in equation 2 to get the value of x. So it's x minus 8 into 1 equals 0. So x minus 8 equals 0 gives me x equal 8. So the digit in tens place is 1 and the digit in ones place is 8, and we have seen that the number is 10y plus x, isn't it? So that is equal to 10 into 1 plus 8, that's equal 10 plus 8, that is 18. So we have got the number. So the solution is the number, the required two-digit number is 18, right?